distress. This is for a message for Kim Kardashian, Kimberly Kardashian. How did the pink bubblegum Skims sell out so god doggone fast? Hey y'all, welcome back to Taylor TV. If y'all ain't watching me, then what y'all doing? Period. Yo, as y'all can tell by the vlog, as y'all can tell by the title of the vlog, this is gonna be a lit Sunday brunch and NOLA type vlog. Or I might change it into a week in my life, a day in my life. I don't know, but just know it's going down. So today, me and my cousins are going to brunch at this new place. Let me see if I can pull it up. Called Fifth. I don't know if y'all can see. It's not gonna focus. It might not focus. Oh, this new place called 15. It's like a whole vibe in here. Like, it's so nice. Y'all look at that. So fire. I don't feel like showing y'all the whole video, but it's gonna be lit, okay? It's the mimosas on deck. I don't know if I want shrimp and grits, fish and grits. I don't know. Or I don't know if I just want to go and have a drink. I don't know. But it's going down. Check out my fit. Hold on, y'all. It's kind of crooked. Hold on, let me see if I can fix it. Fit check so hot, make your bitch sweat, okay? Fit check so hot, make your bitch sweat, okay? Yo, look at these in these pants. Look at my thing is banging in these pants, honey. I could give me some. Go give me some. Yo. Whew. But I got this fit from my black owned boutique on Instagram. If I remember the name, I'm gonna insert it. But yo, this vlog gonna be lit, okay? Y'all, I really have no lashes on, like none. So I don't know if I should add lashes or keep them off. I'm pretty without lashes, but the lashes just add a different oomph. But it's like with strip lashes, it's a hit or miss. Like, sometimes I be getting lashes that look cute. Sometimes they look like I'm about to fly away like an eagle with the lashes. Sometimes they're too small. Look like it's giving very much childish, baby girl. I don't know. So, y'all need to drop in the comments of what brand of lashes y'all get. Or if y'all do lashes or send people lashes, send me some, please. Just hit the booking link in the bio. Email me so I could get some lashes, okay? Because it's giving very much bald eye right now. Yeah, so enough about that. My sister on her way about to come get me, and it's gonna be that. Because one thing about it, I hate driving. She's like basically like my chauffeur. She's not a driver, for real. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, because these videos coming back to back, and that's on that. And follow all my social media accounts down. But keep talking, let's get into the video. We made it to brunch place, period. She hating on me because I like to wear a jacket, but whatever. We better be coming here. Brunch was a whole vibe. Like, look at my hair. Like, the mimosas were good. The food, I got fish and grits, and it was okay. Like, it had a good taste, I'm not gonna lie. But it was very busy, so like it took a while for our food to come out, blase, and I'm still hungry, so I'm eating Popeyes. But the brunch was a whole vibe. Like, you know, the brunch was a whole vibe. For real. It was a whole vibe. It was a whole vibe. It was nice. So now we're about to go to this like this little outside day club called Culture Park.
Fuck that.
Girl, her call. My sister's phone connected to the call. But we're about to go to Culture Park. And I guess drink and dance and do it all over again. I don't know. Look at my hair, like it's going crazy. Okay, so y'all, I'm back inside. It's currently 9:57. I'm 57, and let me just say this: today was a ball. Like I had a ball. Like brunch vibes was awesome sauce. Culture Park, like it was lit. Yo, my cousin did her big one. Like my girl was Versace down. My girl had a Versace hair clip. She had a Versace bodysuit, a Versace cardigan, Mugler shorts that was giving. Baby, she came straight from Italy. Versace shoes and Versace slides. She had the Versace heels and then changed into the Versace slides. Like she really did her big one, like for her birthday. That's what I aspire to do. Yo, at Culture Park, the second little day party brunch thing, day party vibe place, we had bottles after bottles after bottle girls after bottle girls, y'all. Like it was amazing. Like, and them bottles don't be cheap. When I tell y'all, my cousin, just y'all won't think I'm lying, she sent a record. I'm gonna let y'all hear it. But she she ordered so many bottles, y'all. The bottle girls ran out of sparklers and ran out of bottles. And like them Patron bottles, them Moet bottles, them Bel Air bottles at them places, they don't be like $40 to $100 like in a liquor store. Baby, they taxing at them places $250, $350 a bottle. And she had 3 sections. When I tell y'all, I was sipping, it was so hot out there, but I was sipping my water out champagne glasses because I was just feeling that bougie. Like it was everything. Yo, let me show y'all the video. I'm gonna let y'all hear the recording so y'all don't think I'm capping. Hold on.
I was so scared that girl was gonna. Y'all, is y'all ready to fucking cry laughing? So, look, y'all, we bought so many bottles at the end of the night. I think it was the last bottle or the second to last bottle came through. It didn't have no sparkles on it. Jay said, hey, why the fuck y'all bring this bottle out with no sparkles? I bought up all the fucking sparkles. They ain't got no more fucking sparkles. They ain't got no more Moet. Fuck y'all. She said, I am tired of walking up here. I'm tired of y'all. And we ain't got no more damn sparkles.
Period. Yeah, my cousin came through. Like, I'm gonna show y'all little mini clips of how many times I got to record the bottle girls actually come in. But half the time I got tired. Me and my cousins got sick of seeing them. Yeah, I was looking bougie, yes. And I posted a picture on Instagram. I'm gonna need y'all to go like it. Period. I was giving, hold on, bad bougie. That's the place, Culture Park. And look at me with my, so cute. I was lit. That's why I had my shades on. And that's us. That's half of my cousins. I'm gonna insert the video. But I'm gonna insert us looking cute in a section. But y'all, it was lit. Like when I tell y'all, she motivated me to continue to just go hard, like on TikTok, post little TikToks. If y'all aren't following me on TikTok, make sure y'all are following me on TikTok. Make sure y'all are following me, well, subscribing to this. If y'all watching this, subscribe and follow me on Instagram. But anyways, y'all, that's that. It was a ball. I had a ball. But yeah, like I said, all gas, no brakes. I promise you, I'm not letting up, because I'm about to be 23 in like July, August, September, in like less than 3 months. I got goals, the big goals I need to accomplish, I will accomplish. Because if girls my age or younger can do it, I know I can do it. And I know I have faith. I know God don't play about me. God don't play about me and mine. So I know if I just be consistent and do my big one, it's gonna happen for me. So y'all, anyways, so y'all, I came home to a Shein. I opened it, but like a Shein packages, y'all. Let's see what I got. Let's see what I got. Cause I be ordering so much, I be forgetting what I be ordering for real. So in this video, Shein is not sponsored. So if y'all looking at this, y'all need to cut me a check, cause I stay doing hauls and all that. Oh, I do remember this. Y'all, this is a cute corset. I have a whole look for this that I'm wearing somewhere, and I'm gonna vlog it next week. So this is so cute. This is a corset, and I know I can fit it, but that's cute. Period. What else I ordered? Oh, the little mesh pants. Well, these the shorts. I got the pants already, but the little mesh biker shorts, I don't know when I'm gonna wear that. Oh, y'all, this is so dope. I ordered this cute little chain top. Period. And what else? Oh, and another little graphic tee. Oh wait, and it's tied at the bottom. I think I know why I'm gonna wear this too. But y'all, like I said, I have looks, I have vlogs lined up back to back, so y'all need to stay tuned. But the video is not going in here. I'm just gonna come back tomorrow and vlog something else. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm tired. I'm about to lay down and go to sleep, I guess. I'm in distress. This is a message for Kim Kardashian, Kimberly Kardashian. My girl, my girl, my girl, my girl, my girl, my girl. Let me just say this. I love you. I love you deep. Okay? I love you deep. You my girl. We here. You know, we see each other. And my Nini boys, we see each other. We good. Okay? Where, why, and how did the pink bubblegum Skims sell out so goddamn fast? You know what you told us in the interview? Get your ass up and work.
Get your fucking ass up and work.
Kimberly, Kimmy, Coco, Kay, on behalf of the girls, the pink girls, the Barb girls, the girls. I need a restock, and while you at it, please restock the Fendi and Skim too, because it's just the math not mathing how I missed the pink drop. I missed the Skims drop. Like, I am so mad. At this point, I need a drink. Okay, I need a drink. I need a drink. I need a smoke on my pink hookah, baby. I got my pink robe on. You're lucky I didn't have my pink pajamas on, but I had it the last time I had my this video. I'm a pink girl. Like, that is my favorite color, and I missed it. Somebody going to see me, and I know they're reselling it. Ooh, for high, not even for the low, for the high. Okay, I'm so mad at y'all. Like, Kimmy, you have to fix this. You're gonna have to fix this because I cannot deal. I can't. I'm so mad. I'm so distraught. Like, I'm a Barbie girl in a Barbie world. I need the pink skin. And cause Kim, I don't want to result and go to the dupes, to the skims dupes. Cause you my girl. So yeah, cousin Kim, we gonna have to have a meeting. We gonna sit down and talk about it. Let's talk about it, because ain't no way them skims sold out that fast. It's giving very much the box. Telfar sells out like that. Skims apparently sells out like that. What else? Jada Waiter collection sells out like that. I can't wait for those. The only reason why I got my little two Telfars, my two Telfar bags, is because Telfar had a bag security program. Kim, I made you to get a security program for these skims. So if you seeing this, I love you deep, I love you down, I love you wholeheartedly. You know, you my cousin, okay, cousin? But we have to figure something out because I can't. And I was on the site on time, but the girls, the guys, and the bots, they took over. I can't do it. Ariel, I'm back, baby. I'm back, and I've been calmed down. Okay, I didn't calm down from my little rant about skims, about me missing out on the skims. I didn't calm down, y'all. But I'm back. And I'm sleepy. I'm about to edit this video. And I just wanted to come back and close out because I didn't want to leave y'all hanging like that, because, you know, but I'm really proud of myself because this video is going up on Friday. And I just posted a vlog like 2 days ago. So if y'all watching this video and y'all haven't subscribed, I'm gonna need y'all to subscribe. I'm gonna need y'all to like, comment, okay? I'm gonna need y'all to get me there, okay? I'm gonna need y'all to get me together, get me there. And I have to start another vlog, so I'm about to end this one. But like I said, these videos coming back to back. I made a promise to myself, because it's go time. It's go time. It's go time. So thank y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and follow all my social media accounts below, because these videos coming back to back.